Chat. How are you doing, man? What's poppin', everyone? How are you? Should we get this stream started? Fuck it, let's do it. Let's get it started, man. Come say hi, chat. Let's get it going. Okay, wait, let me fix this. Whoa. Yo, chat. What is good, everybody? How we doing? Welcome back to the stream. Come say hi if you're here. What's good? Future Eyes, Victory Settings. W7, what's good? Holy shit. Whole gang's out here right now. How's everybody doing? What's poppin'? Gamer Nado, what's good, my friend? Okay. Yo, I'm excited for this one. I can't lie. Friday. Coming on to the end of the week right now. Feel like a lot of people are probably done for the day already. We've been moving like crazy, but I want more. Always want more, right? So much opportunity here today, chat. So let's jump into a breakdown real quick. And we can get this shit going. I don't even know what I was about to say there. All right, chat. So. Early birds get the analysis today, I guess. But weekly time frame here, chat. We have like 8 hours left until the weekly closes. You flipped as well yesterday. No, 2 days ago. You're re-flipping now, or at least trying to, which is very interesting, to be honest. Daily time frame pushing up. Yeah, okay, cool. So we've got a very, very strong level right here at the 55s. If you do start to bounce off of there, I can see us rejecting all the way back down, to be honest. But if this weekly closes above, then it's going to be crazy. But anyway, 4 hour time frame. We have some room upwards, to be fair. You've pushed above this initial level right now. So I believe you probably have room until like the 65 area, which gives you like a lot of room, to be honest. Now the 1 hour here is where it gets very important. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. The 1 hour is where it gets very important. So we have a level right here, I would say. Yeah, definitely. Very clean level here at 54. Every time you close above there, you should move up towards the 62s without fail. So realistically, the plan for today is just wait for that to close above and take the bias to fill the range. Couldn't be more simple. Literally could not be more simple. If you do close back below, we could maybe look at the sells. But I'd rather just get these buys up towards 62. In fact, it goes up to 64. So I'd rather take the buys up to 64, to be honest. And that also plays in with the 4 hour and the daily as well. We just need some liquidity, right? You've got really no liquidity being grabbed yet. Chat, I had buys this morning, by the way. I had buys from right here. TP would have been right now. Probably would have just got hit. Oh, you can still hold it, to be fair. What's good, Gareth? What's good, Dan? How's it going, man? We had buys? Yeah. You caught that shit too. I saw that. Well, I mean, you texted me. That's sick. Chat, a load of TRLS members caught those buys. Which means something important. It means the shit I'm teaching you is actually going in your head. And that it actually works. Who would have thought it, eh? Who would have thought it? Not me. Of course I knew it. What's up, Malinka? How's it going, brother? But yeah, chat, look, today's going to be a day for me to take it a little bit chill. Not a little bit chill, but if we get an entry here, we'll be good. I'm not going to try and force anything. So the buys was 10 minutes late to my laptop? Bruh. That's tough. What do you take and why? Very simply, it was a 30-minute breakout above the level. Right here. 30-minute level was a little bit higher. Right here. Closed above. 30-minute flipped. Took the buys. Closed right here. Done, done, done. Watching 2 streams right now. Yours and Speed is in my country right now. Not watching the streams, but if he's in my country, I gotta watch it. Yeah, fair. He's coming to Cyprus, I think, at some point. But again, I don't really give a fuck about these streamers. I'm not gonna like go there and do anything. What's good, fam? What's good, A is A? Pretty good. It's Friday, so I'm chilling, not tossing trades. Yeah, Malinka, that's the vibe, man. Chat, if we get this closure above though in the bottom wick, I'm in there like swimwear. Hello, Rehan. How's it going, brother? Bro's come in and he's already got top chatter. Oh, it's number 3 chatter. I don't know how he's done it already. Me too. I just like when someone trying our meals and showing. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Cooked. Trust me. Chat, I feel like everyone's probably done for the week already. Looks like a pretty clean idea for today. Yeah, man. Super simple. Break-even point is a good thing to put on the charts right now. I would say 59. Pretty decent. Stops. Probably going to go all the way down here, to be honest, with the stops. Maybe a little bit higher. But I think this low is pretty safe. Starting to reject a little bit here, chat, though. You have 9 minutes. So if you make a top wick, that could be really fucking nice. Sorry, yeah, if you leave a top wick, that could be really nice. I don't want it to make a top wick on the open. But when you close, if we have a nice little... Chat, I would love to be done for the day. 10 minutes or 20 minutes into stream, right? That would be perfect. Give me a trade. Oh, it begins. It begins, eh? Chat, I have a new video coming out today as well. Specifically about trading gold, my gold trading strategy. I believe it's coming out today. It should be a banger. Let me ask my editor if it's going to be ready. All right, cool. Chat, how's everyone's week been though? I forgot to ask, very rude of me. How's everyone's week been? We're coming towards the end of the week. You guys in profit for the week and a loss? What are we sitting like? Chat, I took my first trade yesterday on this Traderify funded account that I have. For a nice little like nearly 1%. I'll take it. 1,140. Decent little profit. Chat, I've been hitting 1-to-1s a lot recently, I can't lie. Might have to switch it up and make a high risk to reward model. What? Trend lines with a high risk to reward model? No way. Not high risk to reward, like maybe 2-to-1. Nah, I don't even think I care about 2-to-1. I'll just take 1-to-1s all day, every day and rinse it. Rinse and resheet? What is that? Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. See if we can get this early trade today. That'd be really nice. 1 minute's coming down for a little retest. No one told me how well that week went. I want to know, man. I want to know. Pushing back down here, though. This could be just a higher low being made, right? If you start to reject, then it's going to get tough. I do want to see a closure above. Took these previous 30-minute buys. Nice, bro. Up $4. W. Good shit, Ethan. Yeah, 4%. Okay, that's slightly better. I can't lie. We take that. We take that. Yeah, 4% will do. That's a big week. Start off Monday with a 1% L as well. It's always good when you start with an L and then you recover it throughout the week. That's why I was talking about this on TikTok yesterday, but a loss doesn't really actually matter. In the grand scheme of things, when you zoom out, I guarantee on Monday you were like, for fuck's sake, why did I take a loss? And then by the time it gets to Friday, you're like, oh shit, never mind, I don't even remember that loss. Now I'm up X amount, right? It gets way, way easier. Chat, we might be rejecting here. I don't see why we would. 4 hour flipped. For me, this seems like a pullback, although we have rejected from this exact area in the past, right? So maybe we do the same thing again. If the 30 flips, we could look at some sells, actually. I can't lie. Because you did sweep these previous highs, but again, we're pretty much bullish on every time frame, so it gets very difficult to take the sells. Such a horse trade as well, just donated money. Yeah, just give it to it. It's always fucking annoying when you do that, right? You always get pissed off at yourself donating money to the market, but sometimes you have to do it to learn a lesson, right? Sometimes in life, that's what happens. News in 30? Do we have news today? I thought we had no news today. Yeah, but it's yellow folder. Yellow folder doesn't matter. Yellow folder doesn't actually matter, in my opinion. SG, seems like you're ahead of the curve with the move to Cyprus. A lot of big investors and billionaires, companies coming that way. I'm due for a visit. Probably go for like vacation. Bro, I know so many people that are moving to Cyprus right now. Why did you say this counter to trend buys yesterday? We were so bearish all of the time frames. Because where was it? Down here. We just rejected. Wait, was it here? Yeah, we just rejected so heavily, right? And we tapped into also this key level down here. Wait, let me zoom out for you guys. There's a very strong wick area, like here, right? Look in the past where we were rejected from over and over. Every single time. I actually made, this is in my YouTube video that's going to be released today. Here, 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 and then here, right? So I saw that, saw the rejection, took some buys, stops below here. It was very simple. See Yanamai's yet? I can't believe that, guys. Bro, you know, Yanamai's dropped a video exploring apartments, and he looked at the apartment that my mate lives in. Like, literally the exact apartment my friend lives in. He's like moving out or just moved out or some shit. And Yanamai's looked at the exact same one. Like the exact apartment. They're sick, to be fair. Trilogy. It's like the best building in Limassol. 14,000 euros a month my friend pays. Fucking crazy money. Closure above, bottom wick first and then flip. Yeah, exactly. That's all I'd be looking for, but we're starting to reject here. Unless this 5 can flip and push up, then it might be okay, but currently in a euro sell. Hopefully it plays out, brother. Sick, yeah, it's pretty sick. Buy or sell? Oh, chat, there's the pushback up that I was talking about. So if we close above right now, I think it'll be an off the rip entry. All right, cool. Chat, 2 minutes here. Just full marching by? Yeah. Maybe. Chat, 2 minutes. If we close above, the buys are going to be so nice, but we rejected the rejection, right? So you tried to push back up and now failed, which is annoying. Well, maybe not. Okay. I think since we've done that now, chat, it could be an off the rip entry, to be truly honest. But you have to close above, obviously. One minute, chat. Lock it in. Yeah, where is everyone today? Everyone either got wrecked or they took a huge W, right? And they're out celebrating. I think that's what it is. 50 seconds. Just want to see a nice little closure above, can't lie. When investors show up, the island is going to become a billionaire's. Dubai is going to be forgotten. It already is a billionaire's paradise, bro. There's so much money. Papa's here, crazy. Nah, Cyprus is already a billionaire's playground, man. Like, it's fucking crazy. The money here is just insane. That's why I moved here. Because we came to check it out, and then immediately when I got here, I was like, oh, okay. This is how it is, right? And then, yeah, the rest was history. Chat, we're pushing up, but we closed below. That is unfortunate. 30-minute close bullish as well. Absolutely nothing we can do here right now. Other than stay patient, right? I sent for 399. That got me, bro. Dan, don't listen to chat, man. They're tomfoolery. Link up on my vacation, bro. You know how many people ask me that when they come here? I'm a busy man, you know. But I will never turn it down if like I'm in an area and you see me or some shit. I can always go for a coffee or some shit. Yo, so we just decided to rip up, eh? I told you guys it would be off the rip. Ah, man, it's tough. If you closed above, we would have been in that. Very unfortunate. This is just gold being gold, right? Classic. Problem is, you close respecting, right? Don't listen to SG, man. I turned $100 into 4 million in 2 days. Those are realistic results. W. That is pretty realistic, to be fair. Pretty realistic. You could have gone for the 5 mil, though. Chat, we might be cooked. I took a small risk. Entry at 54.19 on the 1 minute. Okay, W. I mean, yeah, the structure was bullish, but my plan is not to take that. And if I break my plan on a Friday and lose, I'm going to be so mad at myself. So I would much rather just not do that, right? Ugh. We've scaled our $5 combined live account to 50K in 3 days. You guys are mad. Chat, should we just call it a geoguesser and call it a day? Can't lie. Oh man. Build the range. I'm joking, by the way, I'm joking. Chat, I just went to the electronics store near me, right? I needed to get like an external hard drive or some shit. And the guy that I always see in there, like, we know each other because I'm always buying shit in there. Anyway, so I met him, shook his hand, and I was like, right, I need this. He was like, by the way, bro, you look so tired. I was like, what? Thought I looked pretty good right now. I can't lie. He's like, you look tired. You've been working hard. Like, yeah. But like, can't just knock my confidence. Like, no, not really knock my confidence, but it's basically saying you look like a piece of shit right now. What's going on? You're not lying? I don't look tired, bro. Chat, do I look tired? What if I look at you like that? Do I look tired then? I don't think so. Yes, tired? Alright, well, fuck you guys then, huh? Blue broke Thursday's high, so it may wager? What? Monday's high? I don't even know, bro. Monday's high. Where was Monday? Up here? Maybe. You might have a wick fill, to be fair. You do have a weekly wick fill as well. I don't know, though. We'll see. It tapped into the rejection area right now, the break-even spot. And guess what it's doing? It's starting to reject a little bit. It looks so unprofitable. Little do you know, they call me Mr. Profitable around these parts. I walk around and they go, oh my god, it's Mr. Profitable, he's back. Please, can we have some money, Mr. Profitable? I know you made so much on your MetaTrader today. Please, just some money for food, Mr. Profitable. And I go, no. Buy my fucking mentorship and I'll teach you how to trade. Or join the free streams. And that's it. They're not getting any money from me. No way. Stupendous confectionery? Yeah, maybe. Would you like a Smartie? No, would you like a Sweetie? Yes, a Smartie. Stupendous confectionery. What a video that is. When SG didn't immediately tell him to buy or sell, he dipped immediately. That's what I'm telling you, bro. Like, these guys that come in and say buy or sell, if you don't immediately go, it's a sell, then they're gone. No patience. Can I send you $100 and you flip it into 50k and send me half? You can send me $100. And that's the end of it. You'll never see it again. You'll never see that $100 again. Straight into my pocket. Game's the game, unfortunately, Mr. Ethan. Chat, look at this though. We tapped into my level exactly and now we're rejecting. Like, on the dot. What did I tell you? Mr. fucking Profitable over here. Question is, are we going to continue up from here or not? The answer to that, I do not know. Comics Open is in 13 minutes here, chat. Yo, already today, by the way, when I woke up, can't lie, I woke up kind of late today because I was working really late last night. Anyway, when I woke up, I looked into the fucking thing, into the Discord, and there was already like 1 billion people that had sent like W's or past funded accounts. It was crazy. Like, you got one here. Oh no, that's me yesterday. But yeah, Mark took the same trade as me. And this morning, 2 people past funded accounts before I even woke up. Dorian got another 5k, which is standard for this guy. He's just rinsing 5k payouts like it's nothing. Someone else, Mr. Gaz, took the exact same trade as me. And then the boys as well in the WhatsApp exclusive Insane, right? Than this one. Yeah, bro. I was like, what the fuck? I woke up and it was sick. How rich is the Tom Hart? I don't know who the fuck that is. I should give you what you need. Yo, Mr. Yannick's locked in. I see you there on your story. Yo, you should have put that one in your story, Yannick. The video you sent me is hard. Ha, that's sick. Oh wait, isn't it wedding time? Or am I tripping? It is, right? Yo, play the stream at your wedding. Maybe I should join the premium? Yeah, you should. But again, it's your choice, right? Obviously. Always. What's your opinions in USD? What's THB? What the fuck is that? Thai baht. There's no way you can trade the Thai. Yeah, I was gonna say. Can you actually trade the Thai baht? Oh my days. If you're trading this, you're actually cooked. Just short it from the top, surely. Oh my god, what a currency. What a currency. From its inception, it just went, yeah, safe. Use code UNKSG to get 50% off in the item shop, yeah. Now you're forcing me at gunpoint to join? That's what it takes, bro. I will do. I just secured 50 pips. I'm up 100 pips today. Good shit, Smike. Congratulations. Hmm, 15-minute closure here, chat, in 3 minutes. It's tough now, because you tap into the rejection area here. Had to step away. Unforgivable. Unforgivable. Are you in? No. It closed respecting, annoyingly. If this closed above, we would have been in the buys 1000%, but 1-2 Polizei. I'm out to the beach with the wife and kid. Too much screen time to meet. Good shit, Mike. That's huge, brother. Yeah, that one's better. Trent and I said post this one. Bro. Now that's hard. My auntie just got knighted. Thoughts? What's your auntie's name? Is she bad? My bad. Anyway, moving on. SG, how you doing? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. How are you? SG's cooked? Whoa, what do you mean I'm cooked, bro? Not very nice. Plan the trade the plan? What about trade the trade and plan the plan? What about that? No one thinks about that. So I'm a step ahead. It's a good one as well, yeah. Or you can, nah. Is she bad as a straight red? It's a yellow card at most. That's a yellow card at most. Like, I don't think we're talking straight red territory here, to be honest. SG is a menace to society. We must take his pips for this violation. Not the pips, please. I need the pips. They pay my rent. They pay for my lavish lifestyle, chat. They pay for Marlboro Gold. I'm joking. Why is that the first thing that came to my head? 15-minute closure here, chat. 50 seconds. $50 game ban? 50? That's the whole season, man. Golds, Bahat? Bro, I'm not smoking reds. No shot. Siobhan Haviland, my dad's sister. Wait, is your... Wait, are you from Australia? No, you're from the UK, right? Wait, I don't know. I swear you said you were from Australia. But then I just Googled this and she's from the UK. I'm confused. Did you take a trade? No, not yet. Not yet, it's crazy. 15 closed here, chat. Above the level, to be fair. Actually did close above, crazy. The pips is also matching your student's first payout. Join the mentorship. Oh. Rose watched the video. From the UK? Okay. I swear you said, someone said Australia. Moved to Oz. Yeah, see, I fucking knew it. I knew I wasn't tripping. All right, fair enough. Someone watched the video though. I am matching my students' first payout, right? Which is going to be a banger. Terms and conditions apply. No, I'm joking. From India, sir. Greetings from Krishna Yeager. What? Discipline, bro. There's a few people in chat that just come into chat and they're the biggest trolls in the world. You can never take anything they say seriously. The American accent's crazy. What American accent? Man. What will be the reason to enter? There's not one right now. I mean, technically a 15 closed above, but I'm not really that interested in it, to be honest. I think you feel the range up towards 64, but... Oh. Owly has no bottom wick. It's a bit cooked. You had Giggs' son? No. No liquidity in the 1 hour has no bottom wick? Yeah, I know. Chat, I'm tempted to play the GeoGuessr and call it a week. Like, I actually am tempted. You ate toast today? No. I actually don't remember the last time I ate toast. Chap, I can't lie. I don't think we're gonna get a trade here today. So I'm gonna go do the responsible thing. I'm gonna call it an early week. Can't lie. Because I took a W this morning. I'm profitable for the week. You guys should do the same, realistically. Ooh. Fuck. I didn't have a voice crack, chat. I fucking didn't have a voice crack, all right? I promise you. On that high note, I'm off. All right, bro, in a bit. I saw and heard? No, 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 no. No one, you didn't hear that. It's been clipped? No. Please. All right, chat. Join the Gigaguesser if you haven't already. Chat is going to shit. Going to shit immediately. The moment I say I'm calling stream early, I'm unable to speak. But look, I'm starting the game. Voice crack at 38 is crazy work. 38? Fuck me. I'm not even halfway to 38. Ku dang chu sang kwang. I take it back. It's gotta be here, right? Fuck. Hang on. What are you hanging on to? Let's take a step back. What did you just say? I don't know, bro. Where's the lorry gone? It was there a second ago. Service Sicherheit. Okay. Deutschland. Aber wo? Huh? Where the fuck is this in Germany? Even if it is, right? It might just be a... Yeah, okay. It wasn't even fucking Germany, man. Oh. Volume? Yeah. Hella volume. Comics barely moved. This is my house. Not really, this piece of shit. This is... I reckon this is here. Random guess. We are flipping, to be fair, on that 15-minute. Quick, everyone FOMO right now. Boris Holt Veg. I presume that's like Boris Holt Way or some shit, right? It's gotta be Belgium. Or the Netherlands. Again, I don't know the difference between the two. Denmark, fuck off. Chat, this is so... I'm gonna start a scrap. There's no volume, you're just staying still. I'm texting you on my personal num. Brother, you know I get like 100 DMs a day, right? If I answered every single DM, I'd have no time for anything else. No, Insta? Okay. I don't know where this is, bro. Yeah, like I meant to get that. Alright, chat. 6th, Lush Dune, Malenko, and then Windy Waterfall. Chat, W's, man. Look, if you caught anything today, congrats. Otherwise, listen. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. See you on Monday morning. Have a great one. Enjoy your weekend. Do something that isn't just sitting on the fucking TikTok. And other than that, peace out. Much love. Bye.